Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get free money with a Cash App referral code so you can invite your friends. Firstly, launch the Cash App on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the home screen. Look for the Invite Friends button and tap it. Now tap Allow if you want Cash App to access your contacts for easier invites. Just tap Get dollars next to a contact's name to send them an invitation, and if you haven't allowed contact access, you can still invite friends. Just enter their phone number or email address manually. Now tap Send Invite. When your friend creates an account and verify it on Cash App, you will receive your money. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.